again. So in this course, I'll be teaching you, in this video rather, I'll be teaching you how to generate content with AI. So that's the first thing on the list. How to generate content with AI. So this is what we are going to be using, ChatGPT. Let me zoom in for our phone users. So this is the link. Open your browser. Type https :// chat.openai.com/chat. You can write it down. For those who watched the previous video, I hope you wrote this thing down. So see example of something that I generated with ChatGPT. So can you see it? Okay, I made a mistake. I was supposed to type a write-up of an African child telling us an old proverb his mom told him in less than 50 words. So can you see the AI generated this in the shade of the baobab tree? I don't know what tree is that. I'll still research on it. My mom whispered, "The river may change its course, but its wisdom flows forever." Oh, that's incredible. So let's go to OpenAI. Can you see? So you can generate anything. Let's try to generate something now. So let's say generate the wise words of an old African woman telling what she learned about life. So we want to say something like in less than, let's say, less than 100 words. You press enter. So I hope you've signed up. Nice. And if you think it's too long, you can say in less than 50 words. In a wrinkled face, yes, the wisdom of ages whispered. Life, dear ones, is a river that winds through both joy and sorrow. Embrace the sunlight when it dances upon your path. But do not fear the shadows, for they reveal hidden strength. Remember, the storms will come, but they shall pass. Nurture compassion, kindness, and gratitude, for they are the seeds that bloom love, in barren hearts. Cherish kinship and community, for in unity lies our true power. And above all, honor your roots, for they anchor your spirit and guide you home when your journey grows long. So I had to read it slowly, like I'm the old woman. So can you see that it's actually very, very incredible? Very, very incredible. So there are so many other things that you can generate with this. This is just me giving you a tip of the iceberg. So we are going to use either this or the one for the child that I generated before to create an animation of either the child, which we might use a child, or an old woman telling this. So stay tuned again, and in this particular video I want to explain how to convert texts, to human-like voices. So this is the site we are going to be using. It has a free trial that we can use. So can you see https://app.resemble.ai. Turn text into realistic human voices. There are a lot of them like that though. So when you get there, you'll be asked to sign up and they'll ask a few questions. So you can pause this video while you do all of that. So when you're done, click on create. Can you see it? Create content. So use text to speech, speech to speech, and resemble. So create content. So like I said, these sites are always very heavy, so sometimes it takes time for them to load, but you just have to be patient. Okay, I think this one has loaded. That's great. So let's say I. So let's press play. Let's give it a couple of minutes to play. Okay, that was great. But want something deeper? Let's try Chuks. Oh, that's actually better. So let's go and copy the text. And I said old woman, which is incredible. Good, I forgot to mention another good thing is that you can use Quillbot to rephrase, but we don't want to rephrase it. So Quillbot, can you see it? QUILLBOT.com. You can use it to rephrase. Most of you already know, but I don't want to rephrase this one. Let's just wait for it to rephrase, or paraphrase rather. So it's just tweak the words, change, so it will be the same meaning, but it will just restructure everything for you. This one is check it. Oh, I actually like this one better. That's incredible. So copy, let's come here. Good. So play for us. Let's see. Like I said, just give it a couple of minutes. You know, the sites are always very heavy. It could take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes sometimes, or more. So I think you should start playing.
Dear ones, life is a river that flows through both joy and sorrow. Embrace the sunlight as it dances over your path, but don't be afraid of the darkness since they reveal open strength. Remember that storms will come and go, but they will peace, compassion, generosity, and gratitude are the seeds that sprout while the barren grows. Cherish clean hope, for it is in unity that we find our ultimate. Above all, respect your origins because they anchor your spirit and guide you home when the voyage becomes too late.
That was nice. So you can download. You can just click here to download. Can you see it's downloading? Oh, that's downloaded. That's nice. Okay, this is it.
Dear ones, life is a river that flows through both joy and sorrow.
That's nice. So I'm done converting text to human voices. So in the next video, I'll be showing how to create AI art. So make sure you enjoy it.